Hindi nakuha. Natatawa din sila eh.
You can use your cellular phones and other electronic gadget at an appointed time and place, but still, posting is not allowed. Posting. Privilege number 3. You can also have extra food, also at a given time and place. Another privilege is your visitation privileges, especially during weekends. You can receive letters and visitors provided health protocols and health safety requirements are complied and observed. Kailangan lang may dalang ID ang papasok sa gate ng ating kampo. Now, according to Rule 7, number 3 and 4 on ordinary passes and privileged passes, you can have it through proper application aside from emergency passes. Other privileges to be announced later. Again, be aware that these privileges comes with responsibility and privileges can be withdrawn for cost according to our rules. Thank you.
On behalf of the Sinag Kalasag class, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for the privileges you have given us.
Attention in the area. To the driver with the plate number NCE 9